So after some wait, we finally have the news on who will be riding the new Triumph bike, which is I'm gonna butcher these names. I'm sorry. Mikael Harop, it's probably very wrong, and also Camden McClellan. Apparently, I don't know anything about these two. I don't get to watch too much of the MX2 thing because MXGP is not super huge over here or very well televised. I guess you want to say it that way. So in the comments below, I want you guys to tell me, is this a good pickup? As far as I can look, they've gone from, Harop came from KTM and McClellan came from a Honda team. I'm assuming they were both probably satellite teams. I don't know. They don't look like Red Bull or, Monster Energy teams, but as far as I can see, as far as I'm reading, and this is from MX Vice, their story that they posted today, Harop came 7th in the 2022 MX2 class, and McClellan looks like he just moved up from the European Championship, the EMX 250 Championship, to the MX2 this year. So this is cool. This is the first year that Triumph is going to have a factory squad, a factory race team with, big sponsors, big expectations, and who knows? It's up to them. It's at this point, because if they built a good bike, it's up to these two guys to prove it. And it's one of those things. It's first year. You can't really say too much. You can't say, oh, they're gonna go out and win the championship. Who knows? This bike might take a year of development. This bike might take 2 races of development, or these guys might just be, a one and done thing. So in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Like I said, do you think these riders are good? Are you happy with this pickup? Would you have preferred somebody else? If so, who? And whatever it is. Are you excited for MXGP this year? Are you excited for them to come over to the rest of the world next year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.